A wavetable is a thing that lets you record your own voice, take a tiny slice of it, and play it over and over at different speeds. And if you stick it in a keyboard, it even makes you sound in tune. Or like an ambulance. Now, take two other recordings and do the same thing. You can now sound exactly as you sound right out of bed. Now add a bunch of filters and effects. And you're ready to transcend space and time.